Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to fix stable a database connection issue in your WordPress website. So basically this is a common WordPress issue that happens when your website cannot load it, but when you check your wp-admin page, check this issue, but when you go to your home page, sometimes it's working but sometimes it's not working. Right now I cannot access my cart page, then access my checkout page, then I cannot access my shop page is working, but product page I think is not working. Product page is working, but cart page I cannot access. When you are at cart, okay, let me add to cart. Basically here is cart page is not working like that recently. So let me explain why this problem create. Recently I just moved my website old host to new host, and after move successfully, home page working, other page is not working. So how to fix this issue, I will show in this video. So let's start. First step, you need to contact your hosting server. Maximum time your hosting memory limit full or database full, or your database using so high, so that's why this problem create. After you can contact your hosting server. If your hosting server not solve this issue, then you can make sure this is your database password or username problem. So next step, if you have all your password and username problem, then you can go to your cPanel. Like I am already logged in my cPanel, then go to file manager, then go to your domain located file. My domain location file is public_html. Then you can go to wp-config.php file, and you can edit with cPanel editor like that. Then you can click edit, and you can scroll down. Then you can see here is database name, database username, and database password. So this is when you log in, you try to log in WordPress. Then you can show here is shown, are you sure your password is correct, database name is correct, username is correct. So this is your issue. Maximum time, this one, and this one. So I am already find my database name this, username this, and password this. So let me find my cPanel is correct or not. So you can check it. Go to again your cPanel homepage. Then you can scroll down and check database section. Here is my database section, manage my database. Then you can check your database name. Database name is this one, and database name is this one is correct. And scroll down, then you can check database username is this one, and database username is this one is correct. So now I know this problem is password. So how can we change this password? You just click here, change it. Then you can click generate new one, or you can use your own password. So I prefer generate password. Then you can copy this password, and I have copied. Use this password. See, this is strong. Make sure your password is strong, then you can change it. All right, my password is changed, and I know my what is my database password. Then you can paste your new password, database password, like this. I just paste my new database password, and let me check my website fixed or not. So I just reload my wp-admin location, and this location is working. Now I test my cart page. Here is my cart page is working. All right, I test my shop page. Here is working. So my checkout page, yeah, it's working. So finally my website is fixed. If your problem is still have not solved, feel free to contact me. I can help you fix it professionally. Visit my website, link in the description, and get in touch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Bye bye.